Right, hello, and this is the lesson today. So you are going to practice and learn how to draw metal, the texture of metal. Once we're going to use a spoon, but you could use a fork or any other metal object. I'm going to use a spoon because there's not too much detail, and it's a nice way to learn. But afterwards, once you've mastered the spoon, you could draw anything you would like that has a very high contrast. So that's the interesting thing about drawing metal, is that you get really high contrast and you can really practice those tones that we did on the tonal scales. You also have a reflection if you want to try to do that. It could be really fun. Now, the first step to draw your metal is gather your materials. You need to find a spoon, some paper. I'm going to use a HB pencil first and a rubber. You want to start by doing the outline of your object. So there's a bit of an angle. Make it more realistic with an angle. Remember, you want to be really light on your pencil. Don't press too hard so that you're able to rub out if you make any mistake. And really lightly until you're happy with your outline. Also, you want to draw the shadow as well. That's going to help you make it look realistic and 3D. Otherwise, it's just a spoon in the air that is floating. Now, there's my outline. Done. Step 2 is we're going to get a really, like a base color. Feel free to pause the video at any time so that you can get all the detail. So I'm doing a really super light and smooth base color. And you can use your finger if you want, or a tissue paper to smooth it out a little bit. That's fine. And now we're gonna have to put our highlights in and our shadows. We're gonna start with the highlights. Just use a rubber and rub out any areas where you can see there's some strong light there. And now we're going to do the really dark areas. To really get you can really go really dark with this, because it's the contrast that's going to make it look like metal, the high contrast. And having next to each other some dark and some light. So don't forget the rim of your spoon. Your spoon's not totally flat, so really it's actually more about looking than drawing. So you should really be looking at your object. I'm going to have if you want to add some highlights, use your rubber to really add some highlights. You also want to add some midtones. So we're doing a black and white drawing in the, I can see some red and reflections and blue, but just translating that to just black and white for this instance. Add some shadows. Shadow's really smooth, so you want to try to get that really smooth finish. Use your finger to neaten it up a bit. So have a look at your spoon. Anything that's changing. Might be a bit different from the angle I'm seeing it and the angle you're seeing it. That's fine. And keep working at it